Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, friends, I have one question for you. Do you have a dream? Do you have a dream about your life, your career, or your business? I'm sure all of you have a dream. So, this dream, it may be about your personal life, it may be about your career, or it may be you want to start a new business. So, I'm sure all of you have a dream. So, I'll give you an example. So, let's say this hand represents your dream. And what is our natural expectation after we all have a dream? We all want to convert our dream into reality. So if this hand is representing reality, right? This is the dream and this is the reality. So my friends, there is a very long and big bridge that is joining dream to reality. So if you want to convert your dream into reality, you need to make this bridge very, very strong. And the name of this bridge, my friends, is called communication skills. So if you make your communication skills very strong, very effective, if you sharpen your communication skills, so I guarantee you half of the battle is going to be won for you. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered, all those successful people, they seem to have it all? So why is it so? They speak very confidently in business meetings. They are very comfortable and confident in social settings. Have you ever wondered why? Some people might suspect they were born in rich family. Some other people might say they were just plain lucky. Other people might say they inherited it. But to all those people, tell them to think again. Because all it boils down to, my friends, is their ability to communicate effectively with other people is very, very important for their success. So friends, if I say to you, if I make a statement about communication skills, that communication skills is your key in your hands to unlocking all the locked doors in your life and in your career. Or if I say communication skills is your key in your hands to opening up all those new opportunities for your career and life, then I know that I'm making a right statement. So friends, I want to thank all of you to invest and devote your time in starting your journey in your personal and professional growth. So in this course on communication skills, I'm going to give you many foundational concepts and many techniques to significantly improve your communication skills. I'm going to tell you techniques on how to use your body language. I'm going to tell you concepts on non-verbal communication. I'm going to share with you how to get feedback on your communication skills. I'm going to also tell you how to increase your confidence. And I'm going to give you many examples so it becomes very, very easy for you to understand and very fast for you to implement. So again, I thank all of you for watching this video and I encourage you to enroll in this course. Thank you.